Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with a quick video for you. I'm starting out on freshly washed hair, so just in case you're wondering, I use the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo along with the Mielle Organics Baba Suit and Mint Deep Conditioner. Now just like always, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair to make it easier to work with, and I'm going to dampen my hair again with just plain water to help it absorb the product. For my leave-in, I'm using the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. I really like this leave-in because it's very moisturizing and it helps to get the curl defined early. And the star of the show is the Miss Jessie's Honey Curls. This product is very thick and moisturizing. I was impressed right away. For some reason, I thought that it would be more creamy than it is, but it's more like, I'm not exactly sure how to describe it. It's kind of sticky. It reminds me of like, I can't think of anything right now, but it's not like creamy lotion feel. It's kind of sticky. I cannot think of anything, but trust me, it is a great curl definer. As you can see, I have little to no frizz on each section, and I know I'm doing very small sections, but I saw very little frizz, if any, while styling my hair. Now, as always, I use the Eco Styler gel on top, the olive oil one, but I could have probably gone without it. I'm thinking next time when I try using the styler, I'm gonna go without the gel just to see how it holds up, because I think this styler could hold up on its own. Like, these gel was just, you know, me playing it safe because I always like to use gel when I do my wash and goes, but I have a feeling this product could have done well on its own. And just so you know, when I say that the product is kind of sticky, it's not sticky in a bad way. I've used some sticky products where it really just didn't do much for my hair. This sticky is a good sticky. I feel like it really penetrated my hair and kept it moisturized while I was styling it. And it's just thick, so I guess that's kind of where the stickiness kind of comes from a little bit, but trust me, it's not a bad sticky. And what I really like about this product is it has sweet almond oil in it, and apparently my hair really likes that. I think that probably had a lot to do with the moisture that I was experiencing while using the product. And of course, if you've been a longtime viewer of my channel, then you already know how much my hair loves honey. It is a natural humectant, which means it just seals in the moisture in your hair. So I can definitely appreciate that when it comes to a styling product, because a lot of times I just feel like, you know, some products say they're going to do that, but they really don't, or they don't do it to the level that you expected. So I can appreciate the fact that they made sure to, you know, lock in the moisture with the styling product. Leave-in conditioners and oils and all that are great, but it's nice to be able to lock in the moisture with the styling product as well. The only complaint I have with this product is, of course, the price. For $15, you get 8.5 fluid ounces of product. I got it from Walgreens. Maybe the prices are different elsewhere. I doubt it though, maybe $1 give or take. So I don't know, I just feel like it should be a little cheaper, but I know Miss Jessie's products are costly. I haven't bought any of their products since the Pillow Soft Curls. I don't even know how long ago that was, but I can always say that their products really do work well for my hair. I just wish that this product came in like maybe a 12-ounce bottle for $15, especially because I felt like I was using a lot. The product is pretty thick, so you kind of use globs of it at a time, or at least I do. And I just feel like I probably have maybe one more wash and go session out of this bottle, maybe two if I'm lucky. So I don't know, I just felt like maybe $15 should at least give you 12 ounces of product. However, I do plan on buying this product again when I run out. It's very difficult to come across staple hair products, and I feel like this will be one of my staple hair products, especially since it keeps my hair moisturized. I was really impressed with the fact that my hair was so shiny, so defined before I even put the gel on top. The gel just kind of hyped it even more, and when I diffused it, it was just perfect. I'm going to make sure that I link all the products mentioned in this video in the description box below, especially the honey curls, because I've been looking for this product for quite some time now. I know it's been out since the spring or summer of last year, and I don't think I heard about it until the fall. And then when I tried to buy it online and find it in stores, I just couldn't. And finally, I came across it in the Walgreens. So if you guys want to purchase any of the products mentioned in this video, just go ahead and use my special links in the description box. These links are not sponsored by the hair company. They're just a tool influencers use on YouTube that helps us get commissions on any product that we recommend to you guys. And if you in turn purchase that product using our link, then we get a little bit of credit for that. It's really cool because I can link any product that I like, and any contributions that are made can go directly to my channel. And that helps, to just produce my videos and get more products to try for you guys. All right, you guys, we've come to the end of another video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Make sure you turn on those notifications if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.